Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker, then verify the feed is dead with a non-contact tester. This protects you while you work. Next, remove the lamp cover and gently unclip the module. Note how the contacts align and which wire is hot versus neutral. Once done, compare the old connector and bulb to your replacements so you know what parts to swap. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized. This prevents delays when you reverse the process. You now focus on the core issue: damaged contacts, loose connectors, or a bad bulb. Use a multimeter to check continuity through the track and the fixture. If readings are open or erratic, isolate and replace the module. Clean corroded contacts with contact cleaner and a small brush, then carefully realign bent pins so they make firm contact. Once repaired, reseat connectors and tighten retaining clips. A solid mechanical fit. You finish by restoring power and testing the fixture at full brightness. Watch for flicker, hum, or heat. If problems persist, make sure the track polarity is correct and that the module is fully seated. Incompatible dimmers or a mismatched transformer often cause flicker, so swap to a compatible driver if needed. Once satisfied, replace covers and secure screws. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent power continues, isolate the faulty segment of track with the tester and replace the affected track section rather than repeatedly swapping bulbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.